In developing news tonight, a shift in the state rules that currently require healthcare workers who are not vaccinated because of an exemption to get tested regularly for the virus.
KRDO News Channel 13's Sean Rice is live at Parkview Medical Center in Pueblo with more on this development. Sean.
Bart Heather, in an email sent to employees here at Parkview Medical Center reflecting a new state change. The hospital says their non-vaccinated employees will no longer be required to get tested twice per week. They state their reasoning as a shortage of testing options. The state of Colorado has removed the requirement that healthcare facilities have a testing policy in place for vaccine-exempt employees. Parkview Medical in Pueblo is the first to go on record about eliminating the previously mandated testing.
Lots of discussion at the state level and around the state in emergency rooms and hospitals about how we then go to this next phase if we're out of workers, out of testing, and people can't really provide the level of care that they're used to. And that's really called crisis standards of care.
In a statement to KRDO, Parkview says the state health department has eliminated the requirement of weekly testing for employees with valid exemptions. They say we are following their guidelines. State health officials confirmed the change, but said some facilities may opt to continue testing. Facilities are still required to follow guidelines for infection control, including proper use of personal protective equipment and physical distancing. And they are permitted to have more stringent testing requirements if they elect to do so.
Actually, all the healthcare systems have their own system of procuring tests. So we don't know exactly how many tests they have, but generally when we hear from the hospitals or clinics, they have enough testing and they're continuing to test their healthcare workers.
Parkview could not be reached for additional comment on the change to testing procedures. However, Dr. Abina knows hospital workers are stressed and fatigued.
From a capacity standpoint, they're at that edge of staffing. They're similarly in that situation as other workers are. And finally, they're just tired. I feel for our colleagues.
The vaccine requirement remains in place in the state other than valid religious or medical exemptions. The State Board of Health extended that requirement last month. Reporting live in Pueblo, Sean Rice, KRDO News Channel 13.
All right, Sean, thank you.